truth. I'm not here to change your heart or rush what's meant to bloom. I'm just learning every part that makes your soul feel home. Teach me all the little ways you feel loved on rainy days. I don't wanna love you loud if your heart prefers the quiet sound. Tell me where your heart feels safest, I'll meet you there every time. If your love is written softly, I learn every single line. If your smile needs conversation, I'll stay awake all night with you. If your heart just needs my presence, I make silence beautiful too. I'm learning your love language like it's the only one I know. Every heartbeat is a lesson, every day I love you more.